a place beyond time. In a laboratory filled with both ancient scrolls and modern scientific apparatus, two brilliant minds meet. One, a beacon of knowledge from the ancient world. The other, a pioneer who reshaped our understanding of the universe. Hypatia of Alexandria, her eyes wide with wonder, scanning the strange glass beakers and complex machinery. Marie Curie, in her simple lab coat, looks on with a calm, knowing smile. Is this your library? Hypatia asks, her voice a mixture of awe and confusion. These instruments, they sing a song I do not yet know. What truths do they reveal? Marie picks up a small, sealed vial containing a faintly glowing substance. They reveal the unseen, the very fabric of existence. We call this radioactivity. It is the energy locked within the smallest particles of matter, the atoms you and your contemporaries first imagined. Hypatia moved closer. We sought to understand the cosmos by observing the stars, by the pure logic of mathematics. We believed the universe was a harmonious whole, governed by rational principles. It is, Marie agrees. But the harmony is more complex than you ever dreamed. It is a dance of energy and matter, of decay and transformation. The universe is not static, Hypatia. It is constantly changing, constantly becoming. My work with radium and polonium showed me that even the most solid-seeming elements are in a state of flux. Hypatia traces the pattern of a diagram on a chalkboard, a complex atomic model. So, the truth is not a fixed point to be discovered, but a process to be observed. In my time, we revered the purity of thought, the elegance of geometry. We believed that through reason, we could ascend to a higher understanding. To the one, to find truth was to find the divine. I, too, Marie says. But for me, the path was through experimentation, through meticulous observation. The laboratory was my sanctuary. I believed that science could alleviate human suffering. It was not about personal glory, but about service to humanity. That, to me, is a form of divinity. Hypatia nods slowly, a deep understanding dawning in her eyes. You speak of a philosophy grounded in action, in tangible results. I taught that philosophy is a way of life, a preparation for the soul's journey. But I also taught my students to reserve your right to think, for even to think wrongly is better than not to think at all. This is a new way of thinking, and a dangerous one. At times, Marie adds, her expression turning somber. The energy I unlocked has the power to heal, but also the power to destroy. Knowledge is a tool, and its morality lies in the hands of those who wield it. Did you face such dilemmas in your work? I faced the fear of knowledge, Hypatia replies, her voice dropping to a near whisper. My pursuit of science and philosophy was seen as a threat to the established order. They feared what they did not understand. They chose dogma over inquiry, violence over reason. A silence hangs between them, a shared moment of recognition across millennia of struggle. Marie places a gentle hand on a stack of leather-bound books next to a modern microscope. Now is the time to understand more, so that we may fear less. That was my creed. I was driven. I found my purpose. Hypatia walks over to a large window, looking out not at an ancient city or a modern one. The questions remain the same. What is our place in the cosmos? What is the nature of reality? What is the meaning of a single life in the face of such immensity? Marie joins her at the window. They do. Your tools were logic and geometry. Mine were beakers and electroscopes. The tools of the future will be even more advanced, but the human spirit that asks the questions, that remains constant. It is the bridge that connects your Alexandria to my Paris, and to all the cities yet to come. Hypatia smiles, a bright, genuine smile that seems to illuminate the room. A science is philosophy, always looking to the next question, the next frontier. You have given me much to ponder. You have shown me that the mind and the hand must work together, that reason and experiment are two sides of the same coin. The path to truth has many branches, but the root is the same: the courage to question and the courage to persevere. Marie adds, against all odds, for the sake of the beauty of science and for the hope of a better future. The two women stand side by side, a philosopher from antiquity and a scientist from the modern age, united by their shared, timeless dedication to the light of knowledge. Their dialogue, a bridge across ages, fades, leaving us with the echoes of their wisdom. If you enjoy diving into the minds of great thinkers and exploring profound ideas like these, please consider giving this video a like and subscribing for more journeys into the heart of philosophy and art.